If you're a busy professional who feels like you're drowning in a never-ending sea of emails, this simple hack is about to become your new best friend. Imagine reclaiming hours of your week, reducing your stress, and finally getting ahead of your inbox, all with the help of a free AI tool that's available to everyone. Forget slow, painstaking typing and endless backspacing. AI's got your back. With just a few clicks, you can generate polished, professional emails in seconds, not minutes. No more staring at a blank screen, wondering how to start or what to say. Ready to write smarter, not harder? Let's unlock a workflow that will transform the way you handle email forever. Chapter 1. 15 minutes vs 15 seconds. Are you tired of spending 15 minutes or sometimes even longer, agonizing over every single email you send? Whether it's a follow-up, a meeting request, or a quick update, the time adds up fast. Before you know it, you've lost hours just trying to keep up. But what if you could do it in just 15 seconds? That's not an exaggeration. With the right AI tool, you can go from idea to finished email in less time than it takes to refill your coffee. Let's dive in and see how it works. Chapter 2. Open ChatGPT. Step 1. Head to chat.openai.com. This is the home of ChatGPT, a powerful AI assistant that can help you write, edit, and brainstorm emails on the fly. You don't need to download anything or pay for a subscription to get started. Sign in and choose GPT-4 Turbo for the fastest, smartest responses. This model is designed to handle your requests quickly and efficiently, so you're not left waiting around for results. There's no complicated setup or technical know-how required. Just log in with your email and you're ready to roll. It's as easy as opening your favorite website. Chapter 3. Prompt and generate. Step 2. In the chat window, type a prompt that tells the AI exactly what you need. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. For example, you can say, write a polite follow-up email to John about tomorrow's meeting. You can customize the prompt for any situation: project updates, thank you notes, or even tricky responses. Instantly, you'll see a full email appear on your screen, complete with a subject line, greeting, body, and sign-off. It's like having a personal writing assistant who never gets tired or runs out of ideas. Chapter 4. Customize tone and bullets. Step 3. Want your email to sound more friendly, formal, or concise? Just add a quick instruction to your prompt. The AI can instantly adjust the tone, length, and even the structure of your message. For example, add use a friendly tone, and watch the AI rewrite your email to sound warmer and more approachable. Need to highlight key points or next steps? Just say, include bullet points for action items, and the AI will organize your message for maximum clarity and impact. You can tweak your prompt as much as you like to match your personal style or your company's voice. The more you experiment, the better your results will get. It's like having a custom email generator at your fingertips. Chapter 5. Paste and save. Step 4. Once you're happy with your AI-generated email, simply copy it and paste it straight into Gmail, Outlook, or whatever email client you use. No more switching between drafts or rewriting the same message over and over. Here's a pro tip. Save your favorite prompts in a notes app or document. That way, you can reuse them anytime you need to send a similar email, making your workflow even faster and more efficient. Outro and CTA. And that's how you write emails 10 times faster with free AI. With just a few simple steps, you can boost your productivity, reduce your stress, and impress your colleagues with lightning-fast responses. Imagine what you could do with all the time you'll save. Now it's your turn. Drop your go-to prompt in the comments below, tap like if you found this helpful, and hit subscribe for more AI productivity life hacks. Your inbox will thank you.